The first step is to drag and fix, and put away the 4 legs of the pump. Fix the latch. Plug in the latch at the connection between the mop and the trailer. The towing speed is less than 4 km per hour. Arrive at the construction site. Put the 4 legs down. Plug in the latch. The outriggers need to be placed on level solid ground. Unplug the latch on the mop. Remove the mop. Install the steering lift upper and lower rails. And fix with screws. Connect the pump hose to the power cord. Plug in the remote control. Fill the cooling tank with water. The second step is to check and test the machine. Before starting the machine, 1. Check whether the screws everywhere in the machine are loose. Is there a safety hazard in the surrounding environment? 2. Check the hydraulic oil level. The hydraulic oil level is required to be above 2/3 of the oil level gauge. 3. Check the diesel oil level. 4. Check whether the oil is full. 5. Check whether the engine coolant is full. 6. On the power switch. Close the air switch in the electric control cabinet. Rotate the key switch to the right. Start the engine. Check the battery voltage on the display screen of the electric control cabinet. Is the oil pressure normal? Idle for 2 to 3 minutes. Warm up the engine. Turn on the cooling switch. 7. Toggle diesel engine throttle. Increase diesel engine speed to 1,700 RPM. Turn on the steering switch. Check the mixing forward and reverse. The remote control switch on the disc is turned on. Check the pumping distribution. Steering start stop discharge start stop. Is it normal for the hopper to rise and fall? Test machine completed. Rotate the key switch to the left to reset. Pull the red throttle switch. Engine stop all. Turn off the power switch. The third step is pumping, connecting the pipeline to the pumping destination. Pipeline laying follows the principle of smoothness and safety. Each pipe flange must be fitted with a sealing ring. Use the tube card. Pipe clamp screws must be tightened. The hose is only allowed to be connected to the very end of the pipe and cannot exceed 6 meters. The hose does not allow excessive bending. Turn on the machine. Turn on the hopper steering switch. Turn on the pump. After pumping, turn on the discharge switch. Fill the hopper with water. Turn on the pump switch. Pump about 1 cubic meter of water. Lubricate pipeline. Then turn off the water pump and discharge switch. Drop the lift bucket to the lowest point. Forklift adds appropriate amount of sand and cement to lift bucket. The ratio of sand to cement is 1:1. Start the mixer mixing switch. Start the lift bucket rise switch water pump switch. Adjust the amount of water. Make the concrete dry and thin. Stir for 1 to 3 minutes. Mix well. Then stop the blender from blending. Turn on the discharge switch. Unload the mixed mortar into the hopper. Start pumping. The amount of mortar used is about 1 cubic meter. Carefully lubricate the pipeline. Mix concrete after pumping mortar. Start pumping operation. The fourth step is to wash the tubes. After the pumping operation is completed, stir about 1 cubic meter of mortar. Pump into the pipeline. Stop the machine. Power off. Open hopper bottom valve. Open the hopper screen. Pump water to clean the mixer and hopper. Remove the cone. Insert the cleaning ball into the cone. Reconnect the cone. Close hopper bottom valve. Start the machine again. Fill the hopper with water. Start pumping until the cleaning ball is pumped out of the line. Straw finished. Stop the machine. Power off.